Joseph, thank you so much for coming on. How are you doing today?
You're welcome. I'm fine. Thank you very much.
Awesome. Good to hear. I would like to start with a little bit about getting to know you as a person, especially how you started with trading.
Jmenuji se Josef. Začal jsem asi před 5 rokama. A začínal jsem na demo účtu, pak vlastně s vlastním kapitálem. A mně přišlo jako dobrý nápad začít používat nebo obchodovat s prop firmama, protože můžu kontrolovat kapitál, který bych jinak pravděpodobně nedokázal získat. Asi tak.
Very good. Very good. And I would love to know what kind of trader you are. If you're a like more long-term swing trading, or do you like to scalp very short?
Určitě swing trade. Zkoušel jsem to i vlastně day trading, ale nejvíc mě vyhovuje swing trade.
Yeah. Well, swing trading is definitely we find people have more success with swing trading as a whole, the longer term, playing the long game. So makes perfect sense, and you're doing really, really well. So hats off to you, Joseph. I would love to know a little bit though about your strategy, and if you're willing to share whatever you're comfortable sharing.
OK. Určitě používám průrazy, ideálně do směru trendu. Trend určuji pomocí klouzových průměrů. Řekl bych, že průrazy obecně. Nepoužívám žádné indikátory, čistý graf. To je asi tak se všechno. Nic speciálního.
Awesome. Really good. Really good. So obviously a lot of beginners watch these podcasts, and people are watching right now and are probably wishing they were you, funded, getting payouts, getting to that stage of your trading career. I would love to know the psychological side or the emotional side of trading is so difficult to overcome for some people. How did you manage to overcome it?
Ta psychologie, řekl bych, že je úplně klíčová. V začátku jsem se hodně snažil, nebo myslel jsem si, že nejdůležitější je mít nějaký setup, ale psychologie je podle mě klíčová. A je velice těžký zvládnout se nějaký ztráty, sérii ztrát. A já myslím, že zkušenosti, experience. A nevím, co jiného by mohlo pomoct. Chce to udržet klid, no. Je to klíčová věc je psychologie a řekl bych, že nejdůležitější jsou zkušenosti. Nic jiného mě napadá, jak to překonat.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. Experience does matter a lot, and I feel if you do it enough times, the pain of breaking the rules and losing accounts, losing money, eventually something clicks in your head, and you just stick to the rules. Then it's there's no fast way of doing it. You just need the experience, and that does take time. But eventually, we find most traders they do break through that if they stick at it long enough.
Já bych řekl, že je i důležitý dodržovat plán, protože to hodně pomůže v psychologii. Mít jasný plán, dodržovat ho a neporušit plán.
Yeah, absolutely. So I would like to move on a little bit to Hola Prime itself. In a few words, how has your experience so far been with Hola Prime?
Velice pozitivní. Používám C-Trade platform a to je velice spolehlivá, velice rychlá mám velmi dobrou zkušenost a z dashboard a několikrát jsem volal na podporu a to je velice profesionální. Bylo to velice rychlé, velice profesionální. Všechno jsme řešili po telefonu nebo mailem, to bylo super.
Really good. No, I was really glad to hear that that you've had a positive experience so far.
Yeah.
Um, and we really hope to get more traders like yourself on our platform. Traders who understand that trading is a long-term game and not just short-term quick profits, So, I mean, just your statistics alone, $300,000 account, 11,000 something, 11,600 or something dollar payout, shows that uh, you're not targeting ridiculous amounts. You are you understand that the small percentage gains long term add up, and that becomes the most profitable way to trade rather than trying to make 30-40% in 1 month. So we're really happy to have you on board as a trader, and we hope that in the future you keep scaling your account, get more accounts, and just keep building with us, and well, keep getting more payouts as well.
Oh, thank you.
Um, when you do trade, how do you manage your risk?
No, myslím, že to je docela klíčový. A používám 1% risk, používám stop lossy, nepoužívám take profity, je to, nebo mentální take profity, ale spíš posouvám stop loss a zamykám si zisky. Ale je to klíčový dodržovat nějaký pravidlo 1% maximálního risku nebo nějakou rozumnou velikost a neporušovat to.
Yeah. Yeah, no, very good, very good. Obviously, gotta set your stop losses and take profits and stick to them. Don't change them. We find so many new traders, they set a stop loss and then as it is about to get hit, they keep moving it.
Mhm.
And the trade goes from which would have been a small loss to a bigger loss and a bigger loss and a bigger loss, and then eventually you can never come back from that. Well, it takes a lot of time to come back from that, and we find a lot of people then try to revenge trade, try make back the losses,
Yes.
which is always a very dangerous cycle
Mhm.
to get into. Um, Moving on very quickly. Uh, so you have a $300,000 account. What is the next step for you? What is the future for you?
Určitě je udržet si to, keep that, udržet si udržet si ten účet a možná se pokusit o další challenge a ideálně být konzistentně profitabilní.
Very good. Very good to hear. And I'm sure you will keep the account and
Yeah.
not break any of the rules.
Yeah.
You have a very good strategy. You have your mindset, more importantly, is exactly what a profitable trader's mindset is should be like. So I'm sure the long-term game you'll keep scaling up, and you can scale all the way up to 4 million with Ola Prime. It will take some time. It won't happen right away.
Not easy.
Not easy, exactly. But if you just continue doing what you're doing and don't break any of the rules and stick to your strategy and your mindset, I'm very confident that in a few years' time you could be one of the $4 million account holders. So that would be very exciting, and I would love to interview you as you hit these milestones.
That would be great.
That would be amazing. Um, I guess the last question I have is, like I said earlier, a lot of beginners watch this podcast, and What would be your advice to anyone watching who is struggling right now?
Mhm.
What could you tell them to help them?
Jo. A určitě mít plán. Mít plán, držet se ho a být velice opatrný, co se týká psychologie tradingu. To je možná to nejdůležitější. A udržet si chladnou hlavu.
Very good. Wise words. Completely agree as well. Joseph, thank you so much for coming on today and talking to me. It's been an absolute pleasure, and I hope in the future, as you hit more milestones with us, we can do more of these interviews in the future and keep the world updated
Okay.
with your progress.
Oh,
So
thank you
thank
very
you.
much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you. And thank you to the viewers for watching. If you would like this video and you'd like to see more trader stories and interviews with our funded traders, then go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, turn on channel notifications, share it with your friends, do all that good stuff. But more importantly, also, if you look in the description down below, you'll see a Discord button. Go ahead, click that Discord button. You'll be able to go into our Discord server and join. It's completely free. There are live AMA sessions with our trading coaches. There's exclusive competitions and a great community of traders all sharing different trade concepts and ideas. So you'll have a really good time as well. But apart from that, thank you guys for watching. Joseph, thank you for coming on, and
Thank you
we will
for
see you again very soon. Take care.
Hola Prime, trade with transparency.